In the kingdom of Crestoria, a land shrouded in darkness, there lived a brave and noble knight named Sir Roland. With his shimmering armor and unwavering dedication to justice, he was admired by all who knew him. Sir Roland's tales of valor and heroism echoed through the realm, inspiring hope in the hearts of the people. One fateful day, a terrible dragon named Vordeth descended upon the kingdom. With his fiery breath and fearsome claws, he laid waste to villages and cast a shadow of fear across the land. The people cried out for a hero to save them from the dragon's tyranny. Hearing their pleas, Sir Roland donned his armor, mounted his loyal steed, and set forth to face the dragon. With his sword glinting in the sunlight, he ventured into the treacherous mountains where Vordeth made his lair. The journey was perilous, with jagged cliffs and treacherous paths testing Sir Roland's resolve. But his determination never wavered. He pushed forward, guided by the unwavering belief that the kingdom deserved peace and freedom from the dragon's reign of terror. Finally, Sir Roland stood before the entrance of the dragon's lair, his heart pounding with a mixture of fear and anticipation. He stepped inside, his eyes adjusting to the darkness as the air grew thick with tension. The dragon's fiery eyes glowed in the shadows, its immense form poised for battle. With unwavering courage, Sir Roland engaged in a fierce battle with the dragon. Sword clashed against scale, and fire clashed against steel. The knight's bravery was matched only by the dragon's ferocity. But Sir Roland fought with the knowledge that he was fighting not just for himself, but for the kingdom and its people. Hours turned into an eternity as the battle raged on. Fatigue weighed heavily upon Sir Roland, but he refused to yield. With one final, mighty blow, he struck the dragon's vulnerable spot, causing it to bellow in pain and retreat. Victorious but weary, Sir Roland emerged from the dragon's lair to the awestruck gazes of the kingdom's inhabitants. The news of his triumph spread like wildfire, and the people celebrated his heroism with joyous cheers and heartfelt gratitude. In the aftermath of the battle, Sir Roland became a symbol of hope and resilience. He used his newfound fame to inspire the people, reminding them that bravery and determination could overcome even the greatest of challenges. The kingdom of Crestoria began to rebuild, with Sir Roland at the forefront, leading by example and showing the importance of unity and compassion. As the years passed, the tale of Sir Roland's bravery lived on, becoming a legend whispered through generations. His legacy served as a reminder to the people of Crestoria that even in the face of darkness, a single brave soul could ignite the spark of hope and change the course of history. And so, Sir Roland, the noble knight who vanquished the dragon, became a beacon of inspiration and a symbol of courage in the kingdom of Crestoria, forever etched in the hearts of the people he had sworn to protect.